Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn. Let me show you how to wear your makeup. You want to start by prepping your lip with lip balm to moisturize it. Follow that with a primer to your face. This is optional, but it has advantages. It will help your makeup to sit well. Your makeup is not going to shift. So you want to massage that in like I am doing in this video. The next, I usually start with my brows. So to put that in place and make it look natural, I dab powder all over, then brush it up with a spoolie, and my brows are really thin and sparse. This is the technique I use in carving my own brows. I come in with the spoolie to clean up any excesses because I want it looking really natural. You get what I mean? If you don't, just keep watching, you will see. Then I fill it in like so, just to make sure it looks really natural. I come in with my spoolie and sweep off any excess lines, and I keep feeling it. You gotta be patient, like really patient. Do not be in a hurry. I am taking it in simple, easy strokes. Then I come in with my foundation for my skin work, and this is all I'll be using all over my face. I start with my eyelid so that I outline the what's it called, the brow, top to bottom, like I am doing. I'm not doing anything excess, just the same foundation I am going to be using for my skin is the same one I'm using outlining my brows, making it neat and cutting off any excesses like I am doing in this video. Yep, so keep watching, guys. I told you that little bit of foundation is what I'll use. To have a perfect blend, I come in with my rose water so that everything blends. Next is the eyeshadow. I like to use pigments. I'm coming in with a red pigment, and for my highlight I'll be using this light shade like so. Do not worry, that looks like it's a lot. We are gonna be blending this. Then I come in with this orange tone in the middle of my lid like I am doing in this video. Trust me guys, makeup is easy to do when you understand what to do. I come with a slightly dark shade to apply over the red pigment that I had. We are working to achieve a natural look. If you're in your 40s, 50 and above, then this makeup is for you. I come with a really rounded brush to blend everything together, and I do this trick while doing this. I go to my cheekbone, preparing it for my blush. This is exactly how I achieve all of that. Then do not forget that we haven't applied powder all over the face. That is what I am doing. And these are the motions I use. I use a dabbing motion. Do not forget your neck while you're at it. I do not take it for granted that makeup can be hard for some people, but it's just easy. This is me applying my powder all over, including my brows. Then for my eyes to stand out, I like to apply black pencil in my inner eyes. Look at the difference between the one that has and the one that doesn't. So your choice. Do you think you need to line your inner eye or not? Thank you so much that you are still here watching. We're not done yet. Then to make my eyes stand out, I come in with a brown shade of powder, thinly applied below the black eyeliner like I am doing, and it will also prevent it from running. Then I dab all over again without any powder on my brush. Next is we want to apply our mascara, and this is how I apply my mascara. You brush your hairs all the way up. Then for your second coat, you brush it across and brush it upwards. Making sense? Try this hack and you will not remain the same. This is how I do my lip lining, because for some people lip lining is hard, but trust me, this method saves you. So the same method you do for the pencil is the same you will do for your foundation. Look at that. And we just cleaned the excesses from the lip. Then I come in with a powder on my brush to blend all of that foundation off. Let's see the magic. There you have it. And make sure to clean any excesses like I am doing in this video. I hope you are learning one or two things. Then I come in with a nude lipstick like so. Blend, blend, blend. I am smacking my lip like so. Then I come in with brown tone to outline the lip, and again, I'm not rubbing, guys. Do not forget, I am not rubbing. So we go to our blush. I do not like to use the red tone all the time, so I go with an orange tone, and I use this pigment for my highlight. Watch and see, this pigment is highly pigmented. So I use the cover. Look at what I mean. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, that's a lot, but hey, we're gonna blend it. Then I come to my nose, and the ridge of my nose also is not gonna be forgotten. Just watch, that is the ridge of the nose, like so. And of course my chin. These are areas that make your lips, don't forget your lips, areas that make your face to stand out. So blend, 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 because we do not want you looking like Pokemon. All right, see, well blended. Then I come in with powder under my eyes to make sure that the highlight is sitting properly. Can you see that my brows are looking good and natural? They don't look artificial. Then I come in finally with my brow gel. This may seem a lot, but guys, it has the advantages. Look at how the brows are looking really natural. This brow gel will help it sit. And I come in with an empty brush just to blend, blend, blend everything together. And we're done, guys. But hey, if you want an extra look to your lip, come in with your lip gloss like so. I'm not rubbing all over, I'm just rubbing at the tip of the top and the bottom of my lips. And there you have it. Remember to like this video and leave me a comment. God bless you. I love you. Mwah!